Storyboard Writer, shown by Beatrix Potter and surrounded by some of her favourite friends, is the perfect tool when you want images to drive your creative process. Storyboard Writer offers you a moving carousel of imagery. Just like plotting a storyboard for a movie, you can assemble the images you want to help drive your writing. Every image can be expanded for detail and cleverly sits to the right-hand side of your writing area, giving you space to reflect and write. Plus, as a special feature, if as a teacher you craft a task using Storyboard Writer and select only a single image, the image carousel automatically switches to a solitary image, and your students can go deep and respond to an individual photograph. As with all the other writers, the Tools menu allows you to select or deselect the tools that are visible while you write. You can have your box plan beside you as you start to write. Your keywords and thesaurus can be on hand. Just brilliant is the Hot Tips tool. Each hot tip focuses specifically on narrative writing to help you develop your writing technique and style. And you can have as many hot tips open as you want. You can pull in images to help your writing, or even use the notebook as you jot down thoughts, conceive character ideas, sketch out plot lines. Remember, all your writing is automatically saved in the Work folder on the main dashboard. So, get visual and have some fun. When you're done, click the Home button to return to the main dashboard.